All right, everyone, we're back on our math notes for tonight. So is our objective for lesson 29, pretty similar to 28, but it says I can represent numerically 4-digit dividends. So we're going to be dividing numbers with 4 digits, like 3,322, with divisors of 2, 3, 4, and 5, and decomposing our remainder up to 3 times. So we're just using bigger and bigger division problems. So let's look at problem number 1. I have 4,325 divided by 3. So I can make my place value chart if I like to have that on the side as I go. But we're going to focus on standard algorithm today. So I'm going to do 4,325 divided by 3. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 3 go into 4? Well, I know 3 can fit in only one time. So 3 times 1 is 3. I place it underneath my 4. And then we subtract, which gets me 1. Bring down your 3. Now, we're not looking at our whole number. We're just looking at what's left in our number charts here. We have 3 times 13. 3 goes into 13. So I'm going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. So it goes in 4 times. And I line that up right on top of my 3 that I brought down. So 3 times 4 is 12. Minus I get 1. And I bring down my 2. How many times can 3 fit into 12? Well, I just did that. 3, 6, 9, 12, 4 times. And 3 times 4 was 12 minus I get 0. Bring down my 5. Just keep going until we have no more numbers. 3 goes into 5. 3, 6. 6 is too big, so just 1 time. So 3 times 1 is 3 minus I get 2. So my answer is 1,441, remainder 2. I'm going to write it right here. 1,441, remainder 2. And I can put that as a check to make sure. Remember, when we're checking, we're going to take our divisor and multiply it by our quotient. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12, but 1 more, 13 this time. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And then I add any remainders I have, which was 2. So I get 4,325, which is what we started with, so it checks. Again, if this is still difficult for you to do the standard algorithm, use your place value chart. Show the numbers, 20 and 5. And so you could divide it into your 3 groups and finish it out. And it should end up being the same as our long division. So we're working on long division, but if you need the place value chart to help you, you can. So let's go down to problem number 2. It says Charlotte bought 2 packs of beads. Altogether, she has 1,254 beads. If the number of beads in each bag is the same, how many beads are there in 3 packs? So I'm going to draw a tape diagram. She's got 1,254 beads, right? That's her total. It even tells us right here all together. And she's taking those beads and she's dividing it up into 3 packs. So we want to know what's going to be in each of these packs if they're even, okay? So let's go. So we're doing 1,254 divided by 3. And we're going to use standard algorithm to solve. So I'm going to put 1,254, 3 on the outside, and we'll go through our steps. So this is a great time to pause the video, see if you can do it on your own. But I'm going to go through myself. So 3, how many times can 3 go into our first digit, which is 1? Well, 3 is bigger than 1, so I know it's going to go in 0 times. 3 times 0 is 0, minus I get 1, bring down my 2. So now I'm looking at how many times can 3 fit into 12. That's my new number. Well, 3, 6, 9, 12. It fits in actually 4 times evenly. Stacking my 4 right above my 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus I get 0. Bring down my 5. How many times can 3 fit into 5? 3, 6. Well, 6 is going to be too big, so it can only fit in 1 time. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus I get 2. Bring down my 4. Ooh, run out of space. 3 goes into 24. Skip count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. So we should say 8 times. It actually goes in evenly. So 3 times 8 is 24. Minus I get no remainder. Okay, I'm going to do a check to make sure I have it right. So remember, when we check, we're going to take our divisor and multiply it by our answer. So 418 times 3. Multiply and check it. Make sure you get the right answer. 3 times 8 is 24. 3, 4, 5. And 4 times 3 is 12, which is exactly what we got as our total number. So each pack is getting 418 beads. How many beads are in 3 packs? There are 418 beads in each pack. All right, so we've been working on long division. We're going to practice it in our centers tomorrow. So I will see everyone tomorrow for a stamp.